I be getting in the car so fast, they be thinking I did this like illegally.
What's up, hustlers? It's your boy JT Hustles back in with another video, and I want to be the first one to tell you that everything happens for a reason.
I'm disappointed, giving you the blueprint to get it out here, and you don't want to do what it takes.
Before we get into this, I want to give a big shout out to Juan. He know who he is. He doesn't have any social media, or I would shout it out. If he ever gets social media and let me know, I'll put in the description below as well. But he is really the gentleman from Detroit, Michigan that is making this video possible. So I want to say salute to you. I appreciate you. Now, the footage that I'm about to cut to here in a little bit is not the greatest because it was raining outside and I really didn't want to mess up the camera. And it was done pretty impromptu as well, so it's not going to be a nice clean cut video like some of my other ones. The situation you're about to see is what happened after I locked the keys in my car. AAA had to come out and let me into that vehicle. A young gentleman, 24 years old, came out. He had a contract with AAA to unlock the door. He makes $1,200 a week, less than $100 worth of tools. He doesn't have any special certification, any special license, or anything like that. The tools that he had, he said that he got them from Home Depot for around 20 bucks. I'm going to link a couple of ones that are ranked pretty high on Amazon in the description below if you're interested. Those aren't as cheap. All in for those will be closer to 65 bucks. If you have a Home Depot in your area, go by Home Depot, see if you can find it any cheaper. If you can't find it any cheaper for the tools that you need, for your convenience, I have linked them in the description as well. Where you get the tools from is not that important to me, but for those of you that are interested in knowing how to make $50 in less than 5 minutes, this video is for you. But do you mind just saying, like, how much that you gonna get from AAA just for unlocking my van?
$50.
$50.
Okay. Yeah,
all right. $50. And I just want to see how fast you did it, bro. Again, like, I'm gonna lock the. And somebody could just show you how to do this.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Oh, and then you could just get a contract with AAA. You don't gotta have no license, no degree or nothing.
Nah.
Cool.
Yeah, I ain't got no degree, so my brother, he showed me how to do all this, and he put me on, so.
When you get too far,
Just cars.
Just cars?
You timing them, Mike?
I ain't putting the time.
Dude, I appreciate it, man.
No
How much you think those bags
is? I got these at Home Depot. These were $5 each.
Oh,
and then the bar, this was like $8.
Oh.
So you bought it unlocked keys?
So like $20.
Yeah.
And you said you could make $1,200 a week doing it. Yeah.
No problem.
Now you use those for every type of car?
Yeah, any type of car. This on a big trucks, it don't matter. Any of them.
That's all you need?
Yeah. Sometimes you need the white one to go up top. Sometimes this don't open up wide enough, so you gotta put the white one up there to get more of a gap. But yeah.
All right, this young hustler was nice enough to let us do a video together, so now I want to share with you his information.
Holmes Roadside Assistance.
Holmes Roadside
Assistance.
Can you spell
H-O-L-M-E-S.
H-O-L-M-E-S. All right, I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Well, all you do is just do lockouts and tires and stuff?
Yeah, lockouts, tires, gas delivery. You know, people run out of gas on the highway. Jump starts.
You do all that for AAA?
Yeah, batteries. I sell batteries too.
There you have it, you guys. Any comments and questions you have about what you just saw, put it in the comment section below. To all my hustlers, stay hustling. JT Hustles, I'm gone.